This is a 4-in-1 wireless lavalier microphone which I brought from Amazon. Based on my own research and affordability, I chose this. But let's check if this 4-in-1 lavalier microphone is worth of buying. So first let's review what is written on this box and then we'll check what is inside this box. On the front of this box it says 4-in-1 wireless lavalier microphone, and below that they have highlighted some key features such as plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive and widely compatible. And at the bottom it says you can do live shows, interviews and vlog short videos. On one side it says for iPhone and for Type-C connectivity. On the backhand side there are some barcodes, manufacturer's address, some quality certifications and some instructions and warning. On the other side it has manufacturer's address. So let's open the box now. First, when we open the box, I can see there is a black case. So it comes with a case. So this is a solid case. It is hard enough to keep the microphone safe, whereas the feel is not that premium. Personally, I did not like the case, but it's okay. Let's open the chain now. So here we have our microphone kit. So very first, then we have our first microphone with air filter, or also called as a windscreen. We have the second microphone with air filter, and we have this an extra pair of fur windscreen, which is good, feels premium. We have second air filter, and this is the velvet windscreen and some literature. And this is a Type-C charging cord which connects from USB to Type-C. And we have another Type-C charging cord. So we have in total 2 Type-C charging cables. Here we have our TRS receiver. You can see this is 3.5 mm jack. This is lightning and this is Type-C connector. On the front we have LED indicator and a power switch, and at the back we have quality certifications and it is written made in China. We can connect Type-C over here and we can charge the TRS receiver with our Type-C charging cord. It is also a very lightweight TRS receiver. This is our microphone with a windscreen attached. Here if you could see, there is a small light indicator which is LED indicator, which will show you whether it is charging or on, or it is connected to your TRS receiver. You can easily charge it with Type-C connector. Here we have an attachment. Above the attachment you can see there are details such as the model number of microphone, quality certifications and etc. Similarly, this is your another or second piece of microphone. You have LED indicators, attachment, power button, etc. You can easily replace your windscreen with the fur windscreen. I am just trying to attach it. Yes, it has been attached. So yeah, looks cool. Here we have an information leaflet. So now let's try to connect our TRS receiver to our phone. So I have connected with my iPhone with TRS lightning connectors, and it will start searching signals from the microphone. So I'll power on the microphone. Now you can see on the microphone, put on the green light, and on the receiver you can see the TRS is showing continuous green light, which means the microphone is connected to the TRS without any manual settings within a second. In this microphone kit, you also get this Type C to USB converter. I'm not sure why this connector is given. Where can I connect USB to USB port? I can understand if the data cable was from both side Type C and then from other end where I could connect this Type C to USB converter, because nowadays you usually get adapter who has Type C connector and not usual USB port, but this is an extra connection which you can keep with you. Maybe in future you can use this converter for any other purpose. So I have just replaced the kit in the hard case. Now let's summarize the pros and cons of this lavalier 4-in-1 microphone. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First is battery. So the battery lasts for 5 to 6 hours, which is okay, and I guess other microphones battery also lasts for around 6 hours, so this should be okay. Next is LED light indicator. So TRF receiver as well as microphone has LED indicators, and both reacts as soon as the power is switched on or when they get connected. And next is 20 meters of range cover. So other microphones gives range of 10 meters, whereas lavalier microphone gives range of 20 meters. So this is a very good point in lavalier microphone. Then you get two Type C charging cables, which is not required, but still they provide it because you have two microphones, and if you want to charge them together, then this would help. Then you get two types of windscreen. If you want to switch between the windscreens, you can do so, and even if you lose one, then you can use as a backup. Then you have extra Type C to USB converter. If you have data cable where at both the ends you have Type C, then this you can use to convert from Type C to USB. And next one is the compatibility. So the TRS which comes with this microphone connects with camera, iPhone, MacBook and Android devices. It connects them directly. You don't require to install any software in camera, iPhone, Android phone or Mac or a Windows laptop. It connects the devices seamlessly. Also, you don't require to set up anything manually. Directly, once you place TRS connector into the device and when you switch on the microphone directly connects with the TRS receiver and you are good to go. Negatives regarding this microphone is there is no battery percentage indicator. So how much battery is charged or how much battery is utilized, there is no indicator, so you don't get an idea how long your battery would last, because there are some microphones who gives display of battery percentage, which will help one to know how much battery is left and accordingly they can work out. Next is expensive. It is for 27 pounds, which is I think expensive because there are other microphones which comes at around 30 pounds but give more than or has more functions than this. So I think this is a bit expensive for such limited functions. Moreover, it doesn't have any memory storage. Few microphones who have memory inbuilt and they store a lot of data while making a content, but this doesn't have any memory. Now I will show my Amazon account. So this is a lavalier 4-in-1 microphone which I have ordered. You can see it is for £29 9.99. So it is for £30, which I think are quite expensive, because at the similar range you will get other microphones which have more functions, and I have ordered this because you can see, so there was 1932 reviews and it says 4.5 out of 5 ratings, and that is why I have ordered this. And I could not found any other microphone in the similar range which was good, and other branded microphones which were available were costing me more than £100. And I thought, let me go with the review and check in person how is this lavalier microphone. So this is all about lavalier microphone. If you have any doubts, you can comment and I can answer you anything related to this, or if I have missed anything, you can comment below. I can answer you if I have missed out anything regarding this microphone. Thank you.